Hello everybody and welcome. As we like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then bounce around the market and look for something to do. But because we're a day late, we're actually in the market today. It is open and live right now, so we can kind of look at what the market's doing today. This is the S&P 500. I'm going to say essentially it's gone nowhere for the last roughly month. You can see it's bouncing around. Who knows why? Maybe we're waiting to find out about the debt ceiling, the bank collapses, who knows. But in the end, we're kind of right where we started roughly a month ago. The NASDAQ looks pretty much the same. You can see it's kind of gone nowhere. The only one that looks a little different, as it has for the last couple months, is the Russell. And it's looking the same as far as it's gone nowhere for a month, but it's the only one that's way down from where the others are. So what are we going to trade today? Well, if you've been following gold at all, you've seen gold has been shooting up to the moon. While people get nervous, generally speaking, they go into gold. If the market's unstable or people are worried, people tend to buy the bonds and gold. So gold has been shooting up to the moon, and you can see so has its volatility. Good thing to know about gold, which is a commodity. It's not a stock, it's a commodity. Generally speaking, stocks, when they go down, volatility goes up. Commodities like oil, gold, silver, things like that tend to do the opposite. When they go up, volatility tends to go up. So they're the opposite of stocks for the most part. Obviously, nothing is in stone, but that's generally the way things move. When stocks go down, they get more volatile. When commodities go up, they get more volatile. So while gold is, as you can see, as high as it's been for the last 6 months, let's get in and make a gold trade. So I'll save us the trouble. We're right here at 46 days. And if we open this up, I've already set it up for us so we don't have to bounce around. You can see the stock is right at 188, the mid price, kind of 188.50. So I'm going roughly $8 up. I'm going roughly $8 down. And then I'm buying the call and put to turn this into a $2 wide Iron Condor. And you can see right now it's perfect. I'm looking for 33 to 50 cents per dollar width. This is absolutely perfect. So it's in the basically 66 cents to a dollar range, because remember it's $2 width. So we just do that 33 to 50 times 2. So as long as it's between 66 cents and a dollar, this is a good trade. So that is our trade in gold right now for today. Hello everyone. I thought it might be valuable to let you know of all the courses available on Udemy that I teach, and also kind of what they're about and maybe what order to take them in. So I thought this would be a valuable little quick kind of introduction to all the courses out there. Now for those that are in the middle of a bunch of courses, these three are essentially a set. This is a part 1, 2, 3. So no matter where you are in this course selection, this is the order it should go in. It should start with understand options, then to basic option strategies, and then on to make and manage profitable trades. Just so you are aware. Again, you can see it says part 1, 2, and 3, but not everybody sees that when they buy these courses. So this is good for beginners. This is good for people that want to refresh the knowledge they already have. But essentially, like I mentioned, this is the order you want to go in, from top to bottom. Understand to basic to make and manage. The complete guide to options here is kind of an overview of a bunch of different topics, but not in depth like the three above. So if you want to get a broad introduction to a lot of different kind of option strategy topics, this is a good one to look into. From there, we can go on to the advanced Iron Condor option strategy course. If you already are familiar with Iron Condors and you want to learn 6 different variations of it, this would be a great course for you to take. And for those who have been through the basics, kind of know verticals and Iron Condors and want to get into the advanced kind of option trading arena, I have what I call a secret course collection. These are private courses that you won't find when you search on Udemy. So if you want to find them, you have to type in these addresses right here, and this will give you these courses on the right hand side here, and it'll give you more detail about them. The password to get into these private courses is sharpertrades.com. And again, like I mentioned, these are private courses. So if you search my name on Udemy, you won't see this. This is my secret course collection, and these are all more advanced topics. So if you want to learn more, here's everything you can use to discover more courses on my site. I'm attaching this guide as a link, so you can download this and it'll take you to the courses. There'll be links in the actual document, so you can use that attachment in this little video section to download, and click on the links there. It'll take you right to these courses as opposed to having to type these in directly. But if you want to learn more, would love to have you aboard. Thanks for sticking with me and being with me on any one of these journeys. Stick with it. We will get you to where you want to go. Take care.